Today is a very important day. Why? To us. We are also launching the 12-kilometer peace flag. The 12-kilometer peace flag that is getting launched tonight is one of the world's longest peace fabric. And the purpose and objectives of this is to call for the global peace appeal. As an institution, we at these ambassadors, we are helping them to go to the community so that they can build peaceful communities, because if the communities are fighting, they are in conflict, in short, there is negative effects on our economy and our daily livelihoods. So that is very important to us, as it's not just any other event.
Amani saa ya asubuhi, saa ya mchana na hata jioni, hata usiku. Amani, amani, amani dunia nzima, amani nchi ya Kenya, amani kwa wana youth, amani kwa watoto wa shule, amani kwa maboma, kwa soko, amani kila sehemu ya Kenya, na tunatakia ulimwengu wote amani.
Today is World International Day of Peace, and we have just flagged off one of the longest labor for peace, the longest flag, which is about 12 kilometers. And by the end of this journey, we want to cover 20 kilometers today. Peace is very paramount. Without peace, we can't worship freely. Without peace, we can't even walk freely the way we are walking. We can't even talk freely the way we are talking. So peace is very important. So we are marking this day today.
Generally, globally, white is a symbol of peace, and that is why we have the white color here. Yes. Thank you.
White represents peace. Again, we want to incorporate and involve everybody. Peace matters. That's why we have the longest label, so that we can have as many as partners and players as many as possible.
The long peace ribbon, and I'm glad that you're making this here in Kenya.
Majina naitwa Antoni. Amani ni mzuri sana kwa nchi. Bila amani biashara haiwezi endelea, watu watapigana ovyo ovyo, hakuna masomo. Bila amani tunahitaji amani sana.
My name is Osman Sharif from Kajiado. It's not all about religion, it's not all about color, it's not all about any race. It's all about one world, one peace, one humanity. I want to urge the President and all political parties to come together. Peace is the main thing that we have to focus as citizens.
The peace procession has been very successful. We turned out in large numbers. I would like to appreciate the college, the International College of Peace Studies. They did a good work. People have been sensitized on the importance of peace. Kajiado is a very peaceful area. It is multi-ethnic group. All communities in Kenya are found, especially in Kajiado Central area, and as well as also other sub-counties. We participated as residents of Kajiado, and we appreciate the college which initiated the work. We also appreciate the work of the Office of the County Commissioner for providing security, for being present, and for doing the logistics. I also appreciate the work of the activists who sensitize the public and do the activities very well.
Ile mtu ana peace kwake mwenyewe ndiye anaturekeanga ina manifest kwa watu wengine in a way of violence. So peace inaanzanga hapo. So mtu akiwa na utulivu kwa roho yake, hiyo ndio peace ya kwanza.